Hi there and welcome to the Heart Handmade UK YouTube channel. I just want to get started by introducing myself and my little sidekick. My name is Claire. This is Poopers. She's the worst, even though she looks dead cute. Right now, I would like you to hit that subscribe button and the bell, and don't forget to hit like on this video. Thank you so much. Today, I am really excited to get started talking about the Brother PTH200, and it is a little crafty ribbon printer that you can use in so many ways to impress absolutely everybody that you know. So when I first got this ribbon printer, the first one I printed was for this little stupid face, but she doesn't wear anything, so she refused. She just plays with it and loves it. So the first way to impress people or to even make more money from your Etsy store is to print out like a little coupon code. I did this on the laminated tape that you can get, so it's like customized washi tape. It's amazing. You can also use satin ribbons and they look great on like handmade projects. Even if you're selling them or giving them as gifts, it's an excellent way to include washing instructions or just a cute little message and really personalize your product. It's an amazing way to really make a real connection. Another way to print these ribbons is to use them for favors, and it could be a wedding favor, it could be a favor for a baby shower, it could be just a little token of your appreciation, and you can just make it like a little necktie of sorts and add it to the bottle. It's so simple to do and I absolutely love it. You can use little emojis to indicate that it's a gift and it's just fabulous. And of course, I couldn't make this video without wrapping a gift or creating a label for a gift. Here I am just showing you how I was able to easily change all the settings through the little buttons, and I was able to choose borders, I was able to choose symbols and create customized messages in different fonts with shadows, with borders, and with outlines. There are so many different ways that you can print a ribbon. You can also change the orientation, and I'm going to show you how that looks just in a wee second. But it is so easy to type out your message and just hit print. See? Came out, looks amazing. The gold on pink is just so beautiful and so rich. I think it is just fantastic. I really am so impressed with this little thing, and it's definitely going to make an impact come Christmas morning. Whenever she sees that ribbon, she's going to go mad. See? This is how the alternate orientation looks whenever you have added your text, and I think it looks just as well. You can add a little sticker embellishment or a big bow on top of a gift. And now I want to show you how to change the cartridges. Boom, you're done. How easy was that? And now I'm going to use it for organizing a little box tin. It's like a tin where I keep all my gouache. It is paint. So by using the white on clear laminate tape, I was easily able to make a label where I can easily identify what everything is. Like, how simple was that? And the last way I'm going to use it is inside my planner for motivation, because oh my goodness, I need it. But I am obsessed with these tapes, and I would love to know what you would make the ribbons for. Please tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to leave a like on the video.